Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with the Morning Market Stir for Tuesday, September the 8th. Sell off on Friday before the weekend break, down 24 points in the E-mini S&P, 1922 was a close. The loss for the week was 3.5%. The Dow futures down 229 after the employment numbers as well. 16,119 was a close. That was a loss of 3% on a weekly basis. And finished things up in the big three indexes. The Nasdaq pulled back 36 points on Friday at 41.94. Now the futures markets were open yesterday electronically, but not much happening when we were coming to the currencies, or the treasuries. Treasuries were unchanged. Crude oil did see some movement during the course of the session. The high was 46 yesterday. The low was 44.15. The close was 44.60 yesterday in the crude oil market. And just to summarize from last week, crude oil was positive, up a whopping 80 cents. Also finishing out the markets, gold yesterday was steady. 11.22 is where it closed. The loss for last week was $11. So even though stocks did sell off, you did not see a flight to quality or movement into the gold market. So after the long weekend, after the employment downturn on Friday, well, the market downturn, the employment upturn, but not as much as the market had expected. Where do things stand here on this Tuesday morning? Well, we're positive. We're getting back all of the losses from Friday and more. 1957 in the E-mini S&P up 35, up 275 points in the Dow futures, 16,934, and up 75 points in the Nasdaq 100 at 42.69. Currencies are going nowhere. 96.19 in the dollar. That's down 1, still above 96. And the euro currency still below 112 at 111.59. That's up 1 tick. Treasuries are seeing some unwinding, down 22 ticks at 155.04. The yields just update. It's been a while. 2.92 in the 30-year and 2.15 in that 10-year note. Looking at crude oil right now, crude oil is up 70 cents at 45.75, and we've got gold down $2 at 11.20. So to wrap up this current action, with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open and a long holiday weekend behind us, the S&P futures are up 35, the Dow futures up 275, and the Nasdaq futures up 75 points. I will see you early Wednesday morning for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.